Good morning, dear children. Today we will play a fun alphabet game to learn missing letters together on our colorful whiteboard.
Yay, an alphabet game! I love games!
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z.
Lily, look here. One alphabet is missing.
A, C. I know, it's letter B. Letter B comes after A and before C.
That's right, Lily. Very good.
Yay!
Ethan, now it's your turn. What comes after C?
A, B, C, and D. Yes, D comes after C. A, B, C, D. I wonder what comes next.
After D comes alphabet E.
D, E. What comes after alphabet E?
Lily, dear, after E comes F. It's A, B, C, D, E, and F. Look at board now. We have E, F. What comes in between F and H?
Oh, I know. Here comes alphabet G. E, F, G, and I. Oh, I know. It's E, F, G, H, and I. So the missing letter is alphabet H. Yes, H. You got it, Ethan.
That's right. Great job.
Let's revise. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, and I.
Great job, everybody. Kids, let's read G-H-I. What comes after I?
After I comes J.
Very good, Lily. G-H-I and J.
I, J, and L. Let's see. E, F, G, H, I, J. Yes, I remember now. It's K, I, J, K, and L.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, and L. Let's see. What comes after M?
After M comes N.
What comes after O?
After O comes P. It's M, N, O, P, Q.
Excellent job, everyone.
Q, R, S, T, U. Missing letters are R and T.
Good job, Lily. It's Q, R, S, T, and U. Everyone sing slowly and nicely, very slowly, correctly. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, and U. Children, we have U and W. What comes after U and before W?
Oh, I remember now. It's V. So we have U, V, and W.
U, V, W. Now we are moving towards the ending. Here we have W and Y.
It is W, X, Y, and Z. Missing is X and Z. W, X, Y, and Z.
Excellent, Lily. That's exactly right.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z.
Let's revise with us. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Bye-bye.